What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So before we start today's video, we wanted to let you guys know that everything on our big cartel site is going to be 25% off for Memorial Day with the code M25 at checkout, and it's also free shipping. So if you guys want to cop anything, now would be a good time. We have stickers and we also have the jet tags available, so there's going to be a link to the description below, and the sale is only on to the end of tonight. So if you want to go ahead and cop anything, do so right now. But other than that, let's go ahead and start this video. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the 240. We're going to be seeing if the sunroof works. We haven't tried it out yet just because we don't want it to get stuck open. So first we're going to go ahead and take off the rear view mirror, the sun visors, the headliner, and the side pillars.
Okay, so we're going to take off this now. I thought you just pull it off, but apparently you have to take off the cover and then undo that. Now you remove the clips for your sun visor. This is what I'm actually worried about. It looks like it might just be on the brackets. The roof looks good. So I really do not like taking these clips out. They should just pop right out. So I'm gonna pull it and hopefully it doesn't break. Oh, I broke it. Damn. Oops. Man, Christine's gonna be so mad when she finds out I break this. So now we're moving on to this thing right here. Just gonna go ahead and pop out this lens. Yeah, I didn't break it. I promise. There's two Phillips screws. One here, one here. Just take these bad boys out. Alright guys, so all I did was I stuck my hand in the back here. Not prying it to bend it, but just stuck my hand here. And I pretty much just pushed down a little bit. Felt for the clip, pushed down. Felt for the clip, pushed down. There should be about 4 clips on the back here. So once you get that done, now we're gonna go ahead and pull off this trim for the sunroof, and it just pulls right out. Just like this. Pretty much just pull the sunroof out. Now it's gonna come out of the door, so we need to get this to fit outside the door. So what I ended up doing was taking off the seatbelt, which gave me a little bit extra room to take off the tab that was behind here. We finally got it out. You just have to bend it a little bit. Hopefully it's not too old, it's gonna crack. But anyway, I just want to show you guys. I was wondering if the sunroof leaked, and I guess this is confirmation that the sunroof was leaking from the previous owner. We've never had it open or really tried to open it, but as you guys can see, there's a bunch of leaves and what looks to be like a little bit of mold all on here. So we're gonna have to go ahead and clean this up. We're gonna go probably spray this black just like we do with all our other cars. Let me go ahead and show you guys the inside. So the inside roof actually looks to be in pretty good condition. The only thing that worried me was that this bracket right here was all rusted out, and that's pretty much the only thing that you could see from the outside. So what I'm probably gonna do is take out this bracket for now and maybe try to clean it up. So I'm curious to see if this works. So Christine's gonna go ahead and plug in her sunroof and we're gonna see if it works right now.
Nope. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Watch. Why no?
It's not coming back at all?
It sounds, I think it's getting stuck on all the leaves.
Yeah, because there's leaves right there.
But it doesn't go forward though.
It seems like the motor is dead. Should I push it forward?
Oh.
The motor doesn't have enough power to push it forward and back. So that means that I'm pretty sure the motor is dying. Or someone said that it could be coming off the track, because I looked it up before. Okay, go take the vacuum the track, because it could be yeah, all the leaves getting stuck.
Sounds like it's a little bit broken, yeah?
If you guys haven't picked up your stickers yet, diamondsonabudget.bigcartel.com. There's a lot of leaves and dirt build up over here because I believe at one point it was stuck open. So if you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of trash over here. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and then make sure we clean everything up perfectly. Make sure there's no rust hidden underneath, if anything. And then we're gonna go ahead and put everything back. So to take it off, it's just a bunch of 10 millimeters around the edge of the sunroof. You could just leave it like this and not put anything else on it.
What do you mean?
Cooler. Yeah.
You could just leave it with an open top. Ever.
Why?
So after you do like a super good like drift and sweep it just down here, crouch your helmet and be like this.
No, I'm gonna be like this. Woo! But we need to see right here.
Out. A new motor is supposed to come in, so we're gonna go ahead and check that one out, see if that one fixes the problem.
Got some power. Let's see what happens when we hit the switch. Okay. It works. It works really good. It's a little slow. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Just replace your motor if it doesn't work. I read online that it could work like open, but if it doesn't close, it could be your motor. It works one way, but it doesn't work the other way. I was thinking if it wasn't that, it'll be the switch. These switches aren't too expensive. Like I said, eventually we're gonna go ahead and delete this completely. We're pretty much just gonna weld in a metal patch over here and then make it all smooth, because if you guys don't know, when you have a sunroof, the headliner or the headspace on the top is very minimal, especially for a big guy like me. I don't plan on driving this car a lot because this is Christine's car, but just for like aesthetic purposes as well, it looks nicer without a sunroof. Also, it's missing the trim for the sunroof that holds the seal down on the fiberglass, on the glass on the top, which is a fiberglass piece, and it's very hard to come by these days. And if you do, people are asking like a few $100s just for the glass. So it's not really worth it in our case to really keep it, especially if you know it's gonna be temperamental like this. So these cars are at least 20-30 years old, and the windshield, and they don't sell like a lot of these parts brand new anymore. So we don't want to be stuck with a sunroof that doesn't work for long. So at least it works right now. I don't know how long this motor is gonna last, but we're just gonna rock it like this for a while, and then before we actually go ahead and paint the car, we will do the sunroof delete.
So now the sunroof works. I'll show you guys. Oh, and if you guys haven't copped your jet tags, make sure you guys do so in the description below. It's only $6 and it's free shipping. Everything works, even the tilt works. I just need to clean the glass a little bit. It's kind of dirty. So now that the sunroof works, everything works on top of this car, so I'm so excited. We're gonna go ahead and leave all the interior pieces out because I'm gonna go ahead and paint them black before we throw it back into the car. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. You guys are the best. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.